Fuck!
I have a big pot for you.
Uh-oh, they're shaking him down. I have 2 big pots, don't worry about me. They're gonna know where we are immediately.
Yeah.
We need to hop in this truck and go.
Can we get in the truck?
Yep.
Bad news, buds.
Drive!
I'm driving! I'm fucking driving, man!
Tell me to get out of the car!
Oh, God! Get out! What's happening? There's gotta be another car!
Mad car!
Where did you go?
He stole the car!
Holy shit! Oh my god!
Go on without me. I love the distress and just wants to start the car. God!